to all viewers who are watching this video lesson. I am Lyra Garcia Monterola and I will discuss to you about the law of polynomial division in algebra. So sit back and relax.
What is polynomial long division? In algebra, polynomial long division is an algorithm for dividing a polynomial by another polynomial of the same or lower degree, a generalized version of the familiar arithmetic technique called long division. Hence, it is just the same with the usual long division in simple arithmetic. It's just that we need to consider the variables and the exponents. For instance, divide x squared minus 9x minus 10 by x plus 1. Think back to when you were doing long division with plain old numbers. You would be given one number that you had to divide into another number. You set up the division symbol, inserted the two numbers to where they belonged, and then started making guesses. And you didn't guess the whole answer right away. Instead, you started working on the front part, the larger place values of the number you were dividing. Long division for polynomials works in such a way. First, I set up the division. For the moment, I'll ignore the other terms and look just at the leading x of the divisor in the leading x squared of the dividend. If I divide the leading x squared inside by the leading x in front, what would I get? I'd get an x, so I'll put an x on top. Now, I'll take that x and multiply it through the divisor x plus 1. First, I multiply the x, which is on top, by the x on this side and carry the x squared underneath. Then I'll multiply the x on top by the 1 on this side and carry the x underneath. Then I'll draw the equals bar so I can do the subtraction. To subtract the polynomials, I change all the signs in the second line. And then I add down the first term, the x squared will cancel out. I need to remember to carry down the last term, the subtract 10 from the dividend. Now, I look at the x from the divisor in the new leading term, the negative 10x in the bottom line of the division. If I divide the negative 10x by the x, I would end up with a negative 10, so I'll put that on top. Now, I'll multiply the negative 10 on top by the leading x on the side and carry the negative 10x to the bottom. And I'll multiply the negative 10, which is on top, by the 1 on the side and carry the negative 10 to the bottom. I draw the equals bar and change the signs on all the terms in the bottom row. Then I add down. Then the solution to this division would be x minus 10. Just always remember that the long division of polynomials is similar to long division of whole numbers. As of now, before this video ends, let me leave you some words of wisdom about mathematics, which might be a stepping stone for you to love math. Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations, or algorithms. It is about understanding. Thank you for watching this video lesson. I hope it will help you understand further about the long division.